think I got sick I was at this party last weekend and one of my friends was kind of coughing into her elbow and I was like, you better not be sick. And she was sitting by me for like probably almost an hour. And I'm gonna guess she was actually still sick. Oh, God. Oh, it tickles. I'm just glad I wasn't sick for Halloween because that would have really pissed me off. But I made it until the end of the week and then this hit. Oh, God, I have to stay so bad. Oh, God, I'm gonna run out of tissues. God, I have to sneeze so bad. Just trying to get this all out of me. I can tell I'm gonna need 2 tissues for this one. Oh, God, I just want to be better. I've been sick like all week and the pressure of my sinuses is just like driving me crazy. I've gone through like so many tissues. Oh, God. Oh, God. I need to get more tissues. Oh, God, it's everywhere. My sinuses are like cement. I called into work because I just like, I woke up and I just like couldn't do it. Oh, my eyes are watering. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, God. All right. I think I'm gonna go lay down.